Today we are back with a new list of 8 creepy clips caught on doorbell camera. Make sure to watch the whole video since you don't want to miss out on some of these terrifying clips. In the next video we see 2 masked men trying to break into a house. The men probably assumed that the occupant of the house is rich, given that a Lamborghini is parked in front of the house. Looks like they should have done their research. The owner of that Lamborghini is probably just leasing it. In this clip we see a confused man who seems to have lost his way. What people probably don't know is that the man is the greatest mumble rapper of all time. Always be on the lookout and never open the door to strangers, or in this case.
It's James.
In the next clip we see a woman who is unknown to the residents. The lady in question indicates that she wants to enter and that the door must be opened.
Cody, open the door. It's so cold.
If you are cold, it is best to go inside your own house next time. When the woman gets no response, it looks like she's throwing something on the floor. In this video we see 2 people who indicate that they have problems with their car and want to use the resident's telephone.
Hello, do y'all have a phone I can use? My car broke down and y'all's the only one that got a light on.
We don't.
You don't?
Sorry.
The person in the yellow hoodie then becomes very aggressive. Fortunately, the resident manages to close his doors in time. This clip shows a frustrated neighbor who is not too happy with the purchase of the doorbell camera. Fortunately, karma always knows how to calm the situation and restore balance. Fortunately, not only the camera is damaged. Keep your hands off other people's property. In the next video we see a woman on the loose. But not just any woman. The final boss of all bosses. Tougher than any Elden Ring boss out there. The undefeated, the bitter, the ultimate Karen.
Oh, open your door.
What do you want?
I want to talk to the grown-up who lives here.
Why? What happened?
Answer the door.
What happened?
Answer the door.
No, I don't even know who
I'm
you
your
are.
neighbor.
Is something
Yes.
wrong? Well, can you tell me what it is?
Open
You
the
seem
door.
pretty angry. I really don't want to open the door, unless you calm down.
Open the door. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Can you just tell me if something went wrong or
Yes.
something happened? I'm not aware.
There is
if
something wrong.
made you angry.
Who are you?
Well, can you tell me what?
You're the mother of this house?
I'm the mother of this house.
Great. Well, we've never met, so let's meet. If your cat doesn't stop pissing and eating and biting all of the things at my house when I don't own a cat and you do, I'm going to get the police involved because I am fed
Of course you do.
allergic to cats. Your cat will not stay out of my yard, my house, my garage. He gets into my house.
He even shits on my toilet, make demands what to watch on the TV, drives my car without asking, etc.
Your husband about it. It's your cat. Yes, you do, and you don't keep any of them inside. Keep your cat inside.
In this video, we reportedly see a visitor to one of the neighbors who is dissatisfied with the resident's Ring Bell camera. She decides to break the camera.
Hello? Knockity knock knock knock. Hello?
What the hell is going on? Not sure if it's funny or creepy, but this nosy neighbor is annoyed by the resident's grass.
Hi. Hello? Hi. Hi. I'm the neighbor across the street. I noticed that your grass is not standard. Blue, I don't know what it is, but we have it's not like a rule like an HOA, but everyone on the block has, that they use. I know you came in because I just watched you I watched you come in from the store. Hello. I'd like to let you know about the grass. I brought some of my own. It's on the ground. I can give it to you. I can slide it on the floor if you want. I just want you to know what kind it is. Okay, well, you know what? I don't have a lot to do today, so I can hang here if you want me to.